truth is stranger than fiction. This is the proof. This is Ripley's Believe It or Not.
Here is an instance where the United States literally applauds Canada. The International Opera House in Rock Island, Quebec, has its stage in Canada, and the audience sits in the United States. Believe it or not. In a moment, I'll tell you about a very costly cup of butter. In 1607, the owner of the town of Shahati in the state of Sangli, India, was an Indian magnate named Anushkar. One night while playing chess with his wife, the light of the oil lamp began to sputter. Wanting to finish the game, Anushkar offered to trade the town for a cup full of oil. A woman named Desai took the magnate at his word and furnished some purified melted butter. She held him to his word, and as a result, the town was traded for a cup full of melted butter. Believe it or not.